our odd and even numbers, I have a little practice we're going to do, okay? Little warm up just to get us started. Just going to see where we're at with our odd and even numbers. If we're really, really good and we really know all of them, or if we need to talk about it again. All right, so I'm going to give you the number, okay? We're not going to worry about the model part just yet, okay? I'm going to give you the number, and then I want you to tell me if it's going to be even teams or if there's going to be one person left out. So this is basically different games that you can play, and these people have a number of people that are with them playing the game. And they either are going to have even teams or there's going to be one person left out. It's going to be so sad if there's someone left out because that's never fun. All right, y'all ready for the first one? Tug of War. They have 10 people. So you're going to tell me in the chat, are we even or am I going to have a sad fellow sitting out? I have tug of war. I have 10 people. Is it even or am I going to have one sad fellow sitting out? Is it even or am I going to have one sad fellow sitting on the bench?
Hey, Miss Chandler, can we put an E for even or I'm
just type it out. They're not that long. Even and odd are not that long. You can type it out. Isabella, is it even or odd? Am I going to have even or am I going to have one guy sitting on the bench?
even.
It is even.
There you go.
10 is even. And does anybody know how many people, this is just a little, let's just see if we can just take a guess. Does anybody know how many people would be on each team? Can anybody just take a guess? Bianca, how many people would be on each team?
5.
There would be 5 and 5, right? Because I have 10. There would be 5 and 5. Good job. All right. Next, we have some beach volleyball. So, beach ball toss. I'm sorry, not beach volleyball. Beach ball toss. I have 60. Am I going to have even teams or am I going to have a sad fellow on the bench? Am I going to have even teams or am I going to have a sad person on the bench? Even teams or a sad person sitting out? Even or odd? Even or odd?
Miss Chandler.
Yes, Walter.
I'm doing a better warm up than you. Do you know why? I'm doing this warm up and I did also half of my independent practice already.
All right. Well, Walter, make sure you're paying attention to what I'm doing. Mute. Walter, mute, unless I tell you to unmute. Camila, am I even or odd?
Even, because 30 and 30.
Even. Oh, and Camila even told me it's going to be 30 and 30. Awesome. All right. Pool noodle hockey. Sounds like fun. Pool noodle hockey. Am I even? I have 20 people. Am I even or odd? Pool noodle hockey. I have 20 people. Am I even or odd? Am I even or odd? Am I even or odd? Even or odd? Holly, am I even or odd?
You're even, and it is also 10 and 10.
I am even, and I will have 10 and 10. Good job. All right. Hula hoop twirl. I have 11. I have 11 trying to play hula hoop twirl. Am I even or odd? Am I even or odd? I have 11 trying to play hula hoop twirl. Am I even or odd? Am I even or odd? I have 11, trying to play hula hoop twirl. Raiden, am I even or odd?
Even.
11?
Odd.
Odd.
And
It would be how many on each team? Can you guess? Grace, can you guess? How many on each?
There will be 5 people on one team and 6 people on another team.
I would have 5 and 5, right? Plus 1 out. I'd have 5 and 5 and then 1 out. So Grace said I'd have 5 and then 6. So if I wanted to be even though, I'd have 5 and 5 plus I'd have 1 guy sitting on the bench over there. All right, ready? Spoon, egg, race. Got 2 left, 3 left. Spoon, egg, race. Oh, are y'all ready? This one might be kind of hard. 142. 142. Am I even or odd? 142.
Miss Chandler, this is
Yes, like,
how many people, Miss Chandler, this is gonna be a crowded game.
It is. Well, so this is probably like at a festival or something, because you probably would have a lot of people at like a big festival trying to play spoon egg race. Probably not right now, but
It's really easy.
let's see. Who do I want to call on? Miles, is it even or odd?
odd.
Are you sure? What does it end in?
Even.
It is even. I would have even teams. And can anybody take a guess? This one might be kind of hard on how many I would have on each team. Tristan, can you take a guess?
71.
71. That would be a lot of people. That's too many people to have on a team. All right, I got 2 more left. Cup stack challenge. Cup stack challenge. I have 33 trying to play cup stack challenge. I have 33 trying to play cup stack challenge. Am I even or odd? Aaron, am I even or odd?
It's odd.
It is odd. It is odd. And do y'all know how many would I have on each team? Sarah?
Miss Chandler,
12 and 21.
Miss Chandler,
Okay. Yes, Michael.
I don't know how to do even and odd. So, I know there's a assignment on even and odd, but I don't know how to do even and odd.
Okay, it's okay. I'll tell you, we're learning right now. Right now, we're kind of just doing a practice. We're warming up our brains for even and odd.
Okay, but do I have to do the assignment then?
Well, you're not supposed to do it yet. Have I told you to do it yet?
No.
No. I haven't told you to do it yet. Michael, are you going to Miss Davis today or no? For math?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, I thought so. All right, 33. Sarah told me it was odd. I mean, not Sarah. Aaron told me it was odd. And then I would have 16 and 16 on each team plus 1 odd man out. All right, last one. Ooh, this one might be awkward. 3-legged race. Is it even or odd? Even or odd? Even or odd? Am I even or odd? Annette, am I even or odd?
Odd.
Odd. And does anybody know, what would this divide in half to? What kind of teams would I be looking at? Walter,
I know.
what kind of team? Oh, Walter, I was just about to call on you and you unmuted yourself before I said your name. Walter, what kind of teams would I be looking at?
You would be looking at a 25, 1 out.
25 and 25 plus 1 odd man out. 25 and 25 plus 1 odd man out. All right. So now that we've done that, we've done a little warm up to kind of challenge our brains. Okay. We've done a little warm up to kind of challenge our brains. Okay. Now I want us to get out our math notebooks. We're going to do just a few little math notes, just a few, not a lot, just a few. Just a few, because I think we're really good at even and odd, but I want us to have just a few little notes just so we can make sure we're sure for sure on even and odd. We're for sure. Michael, you got your math notebook out? All right. So I want you to title your page, odd or even. Odd or even. All right. So my first question for you would be, where, or no, let me say where. Which place value, you don't have to write the question, you're just going to write the answer. Which place value would you look at to decide if it is odd or even? Which place value could you look at? So ones, tens, hundreds. Which place would you look at to determine if it's odd or even? Where would you look?
I
One.
had to go to Davis for math.
Okay, you're good, Michael.
You're good.
Ones, tens, hundreds. Where would you look? Ones, tens, hundreds. Katya, where would you look? 1, 10, hundreds.
Look at the last number.
You would look at the last number. So we would look at the ones place. So the ones place decides if, so you're going to write what I'm writing in black. If a number is odd or even. I want you to write what I'm writing in black. The ones place decides if a number is odd or even. All right. So, who can help me name my even numbers? Who can help me name my even numbers? Grace, can you help me name my even numbers? I'll start. I have 0,
2,
2,
4,
4,
6,
6,
8.
and 8. Right? And then I would end there because that's all the numbers that are in the ones place. Awesome, Grace. So I have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So those are my even numbers. Those are my even numbers. So what would my odd numbers be? If these are my even numbers, what would my odd numbers be? Bella, what would my odd numbers be?
It will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
1, 3. Ooh, Bella said those fast. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 would be odd. Even would be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Odd would be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, based on our activity we did with the teams, even numbers can always be split into exactly how many groups. Think about the activity we just did. I was splitting those into what, Walter?
2 groups, and this is one of the questions that is asked in your independent practice.
Oh, yes, it is. So I can always split an even number can always be split into 2 teams. An even number can always be split into 2. Oh, you know what? Let's put teams slash groups. I had teams on my mind, so I put teams. Let's put teams slash groups. Can always be split into 2 groups.
One 14.
I know what time it is. I literally just looked at my watch. All right, so today for your independent activity, it is going to be all about deciding between even and odd groups. I'm sorry, not even and odd groups. It's going to be all about deciding even and odd numbers, okay? So when you're doing your independent activity, it should be pretty easy. You're going to be deciding, is it even or is it odd? You're going to be deciding, is it even or is it odd? And it's actually just a few multiple choice questions. I'm going to give y'all about 2 more minutes to finish copying. Yes, Walter.
I have a question about our independent practice.
Yes, Walter.
I don't understand the first one, the first sentence. I don't understand what we're supposed to put in there.
Okay, well, hold on. Can you let me explain it?
Yes, I did everything except for that one.
Okay. Well, let me let everybody finish. I'm letting everybody finish writing real quick. I'm letting them finish copying. Yes, Aaron.
I just did it.
The independent activity?
Yeah, not the science, but the math.
The math? Awesome. Well, science, you don't have an independent activity because we're doing we have a test.
Yep.
Yup. All right. So real quick, if you're not done copying, I will come back to this page, okay? But I want to show our independent activity real fast. So for our independent activity, okay, you're going to go to activities, and it is called odd and even rules. So this first page should sound pretty familiar. Look in the blanks place to decide if a number is odd or even. I think Miss Chandler just told you that. Look in the blanks place to decide if a number is odd or even. What place did I say? What place do you look at? You just wrote it down in your notes. Annette, what place did I say?
The ones.
The ones place. If a number ends in a blank or blank or blank or blank or blank, then it is an even number. So you're basically telling me the even numbers. If it doesn't end in one of those numbers, then it is an blank number. An even number can be split into exactly blank groups. Exactly blank groups. And then you have 6 multiple choice questions, okay? And it's going to ask you if the numbers are even or odd. And you're going to tell me if they're even or odd, okay? Pretty easy activity.